Hello and welcome to Word Video Training. This is the fourth word tip. So, as we learned in previous sessions, we made a blank document and then change the font color, paragraph, and finally make a generalized styles. For example, you can have a title, then content or uh, actually footnote, and then specify and assign one style for each one. By this way, you can save your time and organize long texts and documents better, like thesis for students or many big reports for managers. Also, there is something that is not done is in previous session, so we should justify. Actually, let me check here. Okay, justify low like this and then update. Okay, now in this session we want to examine other tools in Word. Now in insert there are many groups like pages, tables, illustrations, and other that we will be examined. So we go to next page and we have cover page that you can have many predefined cover page. It is very easy to use. I ignore this part. Also blank page is clear. You can make a free page, blank page like this. Also you can have page a break, for example here, then here. So let me press this button. As you see, there is a hidden page break. I press Ctrl and Z. Before we press this button, page break, there is nothing, but when I press this, there is a page break between this page and this page. So there are many options that have page break, especially for make pages separate and give different properties to pages that we will be examining in detail in layout tab. Now as we are in insert, let me disable this feature that we have table, so it is very useful for all the persons that are working with Word. We can organize text. See, you can move mouse. For example, I choose 7 and 5. So we have 5 rows and 7 columns. But you can change, add more columns or rows, and like this, for example, click here, then insert column to the left or right. Let me delete these two columns. Then is a shortcut key. You can press Ctrl and E to centralize the table. So as I am neat and I know that many people pay attention to layout, it is right to left, but press here, you can select all the table. Then for English text, you can press left to right text direction, then go to layout. As table is selected, layout is enabled. Click here for have text align center vertically and horizontally. Also, you can change to center, left or right, or you have other options like align top center. That means it is center but to the top of the cell. So we want this option. All the table is center and from vertical and horizontally aspect. So also there are many options here as you select the table. For example, you can erase a part. Click here, you can erase, or click here, you can erase. Also, you can draw a table like here or here. There are many options. You can actually customize table by what you like. Also, there are some shortcut keys here. Insert above. Let me press Ctrl and Z to undo. Insert below, a row below, or select here. Insert left. There is a column on the left that is created. And also you can merge cells. For example, select these two cells and merge cells. They are merged and no line between two columns. Also, you can split table like this. There are two tables created. Then press Ctrl and Z to undo. Also, you can have options auto fit to contents. For example, when you press this, as there is no content, it will be as small as possible and then undo. Also, you can change height and width, and another useful options here is text direction. For example, you can make it horizontal or vertical. For example, we have number of students, then text direction vertically like this, or change, rotate it vertically, horizontally. There are many options. So another tab that is enabled when you are on the table and select the table. See, when we are clicking here, there is no option, but when we are on the table or select the table, table design and layout are enabled. You can have borders, options like no border, like this. That is very useful for writing formulas, and organize them, then hide the borders, or just right borders or left borders like this. Also, you can have changing the lines like this, formatting, change paint color like yellow. Also, you can change width, for example, here, and 3-point and other options. You have shading here. For example, click here, you have shading. Also, there are some predefined styles you can use. Select table and click, for example, on this table style, then it will be changed as you select it. Also, there are some options here. You have table, actually header row, first column, last column order. You can use it. So as we were in insert, so let me open this drop down menu of table. We had insert table, draw table, also some built-in table, for example making like calendars. So I think that is enough for users for working with tables. Also, we have illustrations. You can insert pictures from outside of Word. Also, you can have charts here that I will explain this group in next session. I hope users enjoy this video. Do not forget to subscribe this channel and let your friends know this channel. Goodbye.